Dreaming of exploring China's breathtaking landscapes, ancient temples, and modern megacities, but don't know where to start? With the ebook China Without Mistakes, your complete travel guide, you'll have everything you need to plan your trip with confidence, efficiency, and no stress. This guide provides a step-by-step plan on how to prepare for your journey, what documents and visas you need, how to navigate transportation and must-visit destinations, from the Great Wall and the Forbidden City to the futuristic skyline of Shanghai. You'll also find essential tips on Chinese customs, etiquette, currency, safety, and even useful Mandarin phrases to help you communicate. Plus, you'll learn how to save money on accommodations, food, and attractions, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. Imagine walking through the ancient streets of Beijing, tasting authentic dim sum, and exploring hidden gems without worrying about language barriers or cultural misunderstandings. With China Without Mistakes, you'll have everything you need for an unforgettable and hassle-free adventure. Click the button below to get your copy now. Start planning your dream trip to China today, without mistakes and with total confidence.